This is Mike from Elevation Motors in Lakewood, Colorado, and I wanted to talk to you today about one of the cool cars we have for sale here. It's a 2011 Mercedes SLS AMG. These were made from 2010 to 2015, and 2011 is the first year they were available in the US. Pretty special car in its own right, and this one has been taken to another level. It's a one-of-a-kind car. So these were available in a Roadster and a Coupe. And the Coupe is definitely the more desirable of them because the Coupe has the gull-wing doors, which is what everybody wants out of this car. And Mercedes brought this kind of look back from a car that they had in the 50s, the iconic 300 SL gull-wing, which is one of the most beautiful cars ever made in my opinion. And really, one of the cars that has lasted the test of time. That car is worth millions of dollars now for the right one. These cars are going to continue to increase in value now as well. They were a pretty limited production car to begin with. And out of the gate, the 2011, 2012's 563 horsepower. This one was upgraded by Weistec Engineering, which has been around for a long time doing Mercedes upgrades. They did a full supercharger kit, custom tuning, intake, long tube headers, and exhaust, and this car is a beast to drive. I gotta tell you, it's kind of a giggle machine. It's pretty fun. So the SLS uses a 6.2 liter engine. They badge it as a 6.3, kind of as an homage back to the original Mercedes 6.3 engine that was pretty legendary. And it's the same 6.2 platform that is used in a ton of AMG cars that predates this, but in the SLS they did over 100 modifications to it to make it unique to this car. So although the block is out of an engine that's in a ton of cars, in the SLS it's unique. One of the cool mods they did is they put a dry sump lubrication system in it, which in and of itself is not really unique, but for this car what they did, and one of the reasons they did that, is it changed the center of gravity, and so obviously that helps with the handling characteristics of the car. Although this one is modified and the suspension is a little bit stiffer, it's not overly stiff, and it's something I wouldn't hesitate to get in and go for a 6 or 8 hour drive-in. It's still fairly compliant, but yeah, a regular SLS is something that you can go and take to downtown Denver, and even with all that performance and power, it's not a car that's going to beat you up. They're actually quite enjoyable to drive. And then if you feel like getting on the throttle and mashing it, there's plenty of power in them to go have fun as well. That is something about the SLS is, as I mentioned before, Mercedes, in my opinion, if not the best, one of the very best throwback designs that any of the manufacturers came out with in the mid-2000s, and they were all trying to do stuff like that. There was several good ones, but Benz really hit it with this one. I think this is a body style that is going to last the test of time, just like the original 300 SL gull-wing that they had in the mid-50s. One of the most beautiful cars of all time, and I think this car is going to be right up there with it. This is a car that 20 years. This one from the factory too, it was about 200 and almost 225 as an MSRP. It has some pretty good options. Full carbon interior, carbon engine cover. Unusual for the 2011s, it has ceramic brakes on it, which you didn't really find in that year very often. A few other upgrades that this car has too. It's got an adjustable suspension from KW, which is really cool because it actually, with a touch of a button inside, you hit that and it'll raise up. So it'll get you through parking lots and through dips and stuff like that without bottoming out the car. Also improves on handling. It's got some really cool Vossen wheels on it. And then MEC Design has a kit for this car. So we've got a carbon splitter in the front, different bumpers front and rear, and some carbon sills on the side, and then a few other carbon pieces that are added on the exterior as well as the interior of the car. And this car actually just got sold, so it's going to ship out probably in the next couple days to its new owner, and I guarantee he's going to enjoy this thing, and I hope he keeps it for a long time.